Hello, good morning, children. Today also we are continuing with the poem Cat. In the last class we discussed about it, but today we are going to revise it once more. Okay. I prefer I prefer warm fur, a perfect fire to lie beside, a cozy lap where I can nap, an empty chair where she's not there. I want heat on my feet, on my nose, on my hide. No cat, I remember, dislikes December inside. Okay, now so, children, this is a poem about cat, and cat is saying something to us. Huh? What it is saying? It is saying that during winter season or when it is summer, what she likes to do inside her home. You know, we kept cats, dogs, then some birds as pets in our home. So we can't say that this is only our home. Huh? But our home is theirs also. That we discussed in our moral science class also. God created so many things, including so many beautiful things, including these birds and animals also. So our house is also a yes, is also shelter or home for them also. Okay, now just look at the picture given here. We can see a picture and who is sitting? And who is sitting there? Yes, a cat is sitting there. And what is she doing? What is that cat doing? She is looking. She is looking outside, and we can see two burning candles there. Two burning candles. You can see. Two burning candles there. And one cat is there. Cat is just looking outside. It is sitting. It's sitting near the window and it's looking outside, and we can see two burning candles. And just look outside through that window. Snow is just falling down. That means it's what? It's winter season. That's why what's happening? Just snow is just what is happening there? Snow is just falling down. Okay, then just look at the tree outside that window. And this we can see this type of trees during yes, during winter season or during Christmas. We during Christmas we used to see this types of trees. So it's very during Christmas season, that means December, January time. It's winter season, it's too cold. So that means our cat is just enjoying the winter season by just sitting near that fire. It is just sitting near that fire and enjoying that season. Okay. Now she is in details. She is saying what she likes to do when it is cold. I prefer. Prefer means like something. For example, if I am saying I prefer pen. I prefer pen means what? I like pen. So I prefer warm fur. Fur means what is the skin or is a hair on the body of our cat. In the last class I show you a kitten and explained you what is that fur. And I showed you that fur in the last class. I hope you remember. Now my kittens are just sleeping, so I can't wake them up. Okay, I'm sorry. So fur. I prefer or I like warm fur. Why it like warm fur? Why God created them just like this? Their body is entirely different from human beings. Their body is just made up to adjust with the different conditions of our earth. Okay, so warm. I prefer warm fur because it's cold. I like warm fur. A perfect fire. A perfect fire means what? Warm, bright fire. You can see here. Bright fire is here. That simply means that I like to, I means the cat. She likes to sit beside that fire. Why? To keep herself warm. So I like warm fur, a perfect fire to lie beside. To lie beside. Every time I like to lie beside, or I like to lay down just near a perfect fire. Then a cozy lap. Cozy means what? Cozy means comfortable. If you have cats at your home, then you will better understand. What is this cozy lap? They used to just sit on our lap. They just used to sit on our lap, and they used to what? They used to just sit on our lap and take rest. That is what cozy lap means. Children, if you are sick, where you will like to sit, or where you want to, or what you like to do when you are sick. When I am sick, I just go to near my mother. I want her presence. Then only I will be comfortable. And we will just lay down at our mother's lap, isn't it? It's the most comfortable place in the world, isn't it? Yes, it's the most comfortable place. So what? Just like this, our cat, cat, cat want to take a rest. Nap means it's also given a sleep for a short time. That means she just want a comfortable lap, a warm and comfortable lap. Just want to take rest. My kittens are also like to do, and their mother is dead. Actually, we don't know whether it is alive or dead, but now she is not with us. Okay. Anyway, now listen. So they used to sit on our lap. I will show you one picture. Okay, I will show you one picture. Please wait. Here's the album. Wait. Okay, where is that? Wait, I will show you. Okay. Wait, children. I will show you. Okay, this is my younger brother, and this is one of that kitten, and its name is Nala. Okay, so this is what I told you, cozy lap. It's very comfortably. She's sitting on the lap of my brother. So she felt warm there, and she is very comfortable, just like her mother's presence. Okay, this is what cozy lap. She likes to take rest. Now she is taking rest. Okay, now she is taking rest, and it means what? So here a cozy lap is there where my Nala can nap. Okay, clear? Okay. Now we can go back to our lesson. So this is what cozy lap. Okay, now understood. So a cozy lap where I can nap. An empty chair where she is not there. Here our cat is saying that I also want an empty chair. Empty means there is nothing there. Empty chair means there is nothing. Only one chair is there. Nothing is in that chair. It's an empty chair. Okay. So when she is not there, she means the owner or mistress of that home. Our cat is saying, if my mistress or if my owner is not there, I can take rest at an empty chair. So what is this our cat likes to do? The cat prefers. The cat like warm fur and she also want perfect fire. Then she also like cozy lap where she can take rest and also she want to take rest at empty chair also. I think if you have kittens or cats at your home, you also used to see like this. If there is empty chair there or empty what bed or anywhere else, they will sit on it. Then I want heat on my feet, on my nose, on my hide. No cat, I remember, dislike December inside. Okay, children, here hide means the cat's skin. It simply means what? Why it want heat? Because it's too cold outside. So this cat want heat on its full body, on its feet, then on its nose, on its body. So it want full comfortable atmosphere. That is why it is just sitting near that burning candles. Okay. So at last our poet is saying, no cat, I remember, dislikes December inside. So I think that there is no cat. And the cat is saying, no cat. Every cat likes to be inside December. Why? Because it's too cold outside and it want warmth. Okay? I hope you understood this poem. Okay? So once more. I prefer warm fur, a perfect fire to lie beside, a cozy lap where I can nap, an empty chair when she is not there. I want heat on my feet, on my nose, on my hide. No cat, I remember, dislikes December inside. Okay? So today this is enough for you children. So next class, that means on Friday, we can do the activities of this chapter. Okay. Thank you.